What is up, viewers? You're watching CrackIT Solutions, and in today's video I'm going to be debunking few tech myths that are everywhere and everybody seems to be believing, which are not true. So guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Emmanuel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to this channel. And so the first myth of the day, which is everywhere, is that most people think that refreshing your PC or your desktop makes your PC run faster, which is not true, because it is meant to be applied once you make a change to your PC which is not yet applied, that is not yet visible. You can now go ahead and refresh it so that that change you make is going to reflect on that particular Windows or your computer in general. So if you go ahead and refresh your PC because you find that it's going slow, it is not going to make your PC run faster. It does not affect your performance. It just goes ahead to make sure that whatever change you've made on your PC reflects on that window or that application you're on. So on to the next myth everybody keeps believing, is that once you go on Incognito you are completely anonymous. That is, you can now do anything, which is a lie, because whatever you do on that website is not going to be completely hidden from the owners of or the controllers of the website. Your informations are going to be there. That is, once you go onto that website, they are going to view some little information. You're not going to be completely anonymous from that website. So Incognito browser just goes ahead to hide whatever you want to do on your browser so that nobody can check what you've been doing. Now to the next myth: macOS are not affected by virus. It's pretty old and it's still shockingly everywhere, where people think that viruses are not on Mac. In fact, viruses on Mac keeps increasing year by year. So there's nothing much to say. It is just a lie. Mac operating system do get affected by virus. So go ahead and install your antivirus and stop wasting your time having that in your head. Now the next myth is pretty physical. It is I keep hearing people say, which my best friend even told me that sorry for the flashlight on your phone can give you cancer. Oh god, it is pretty much a lie. Your flashlight cannot give you cancer, although it may leave burns on your skin and some other things. It's pretty hot. Flashlights nowadays are coming with LEDs that can be pretty hot once it is on for a period of time, but it does not give you cancer. It does not necessarily mean that it gives you cancer. So if you're among those of you that believe in that flashlight do give you cancer, it is not true. It just gives you burns and other scars if it's And I also keep hearing people saying that watching TV or your screen basically in the dark can give you eye problem, that you end up having eye problem and probably wearing glasses the rest of your life. Okay, sorry, my dad just called. So like I was saying, watching TV in the dark doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to give you glasses, but scientists have proven that theory, that it's going to stress your eye. You're going to be stressing your eyes if you're that close and the brightness is too much, but it is not necessarily going to give you a long-term damage. That is not going to make you have this bad eyesight for a very long time. It's just going to stress your eye for that short period of time. Now the final one, it is everybody's fear. I used to be scared of it. I think that charging your phone overnight kills your battery, like it harms your battery. That fear where you plug your phone overnight and you be like, oh my god, Jesus.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I did not unplug my phone, but no, because once you're charging your phone and it gets to 100%, it stops charging and it substitutes the power from your battery with the one from the direct power cable, that is your charger, and make use of the electricity from your charger to power your phone instead of your phone. So there is no excess electricity harming your battery. Like when I first got my system new, I was thinking that refreshing your desktop speeds up your performance or makes your PC runs a little bit more faster, which is quite a lie, and it's quite an experience when you tell somebody that it is not true. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you feel like there is any other myth I left out, or you want me to make any other videos more on myths just like this one about your phone, because hopefully there's going to be a myth debunking video on your phone specifically. So guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and share, and yeah, that's it for this video. Stop believing